What's up, everybody? By popular demand, I'm gonna post this video of what Sigala engine appearance package pieces look like through the rear window. I'll be doing a drone shot, and you guys can see it here also. Hey guys, just want to let you know that the paint is flawless. The material used in this product is flawless. This is nothing flimsy that's gonna, crack under heat or pressure or anything like that. I highly recommend, if you want to bring your engine out and make it stand out, to invest in these products made by Sigala.